It's filming right now. Don't get your camera, don't get your fingers in there. Okay, follow me over here. Okay, folks, this phone right here, I'm filming on the iPhone, but some of you know that I've been an avid BlackBerry user. Has that got my face in it too? I've been an avid BlackBerry user for multiple years. BlackBerry went away, so I bought what they call a Unihertz Titan, which is a keyboard phone, which I love. I love keyboard phones, especially the form or the fit and form of a 1-to-1 aspect ratio like this one has. This is a Unihertz Titan. I love this phone, okay? It's a workhorse. It's built like a brick. It's a GoFundMe phone from China. It's built with a really sturdy frame. I love it. It's a good work phone. It's got a keyboard, a full keyboard, which I love. So AT&T in their brilliant wisdom that's completely misguided, completely misplaced, and if anybody goes online or has a 4G phone that AT&T shut down, knows exactly what I'm talking about as of mid to late May of 2022. So AT&T said, oh, we're going to give you, Mr. Customer, a brand new phone to replace the one that's going away that's equal or better too. What they gave me was an AT&T Calypso Android phone. This thing here is the biggest pile of junk. Biggest piece of S ever. It's super slow. You push a button, try to get it to go respond to like maybe a YouTube video or something like that. It pauses. It's just waiting forever. AT&T will not do anything with me respective of this phone situation, which is common across the board in the country about these phones. So I'm going to smash this phone to smithereens. But I'm going to make, because it's got a lithium-ion battery in it, I don't know if it's going to catch on fire. So I'm going to put on a little face shield just in case something happens. Because I'm smart, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do a dumb thing. So I'm just going to put on this face shield. And Greg here is going to film me smashing this up. So Greg, get over, make sure the washout of the light outside doesn't overexpose the exposure. So is that too much light?
No, I got it.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, so because I don't want to have too much light, I want you to go outside there. I'm going to smash it right here. Go over there and then do it right here. Okay? Go out there a little bit more and then smash it. So, bye-bye, Android phone. Piece of junk. This battery right here. Ooh, it's getting hot. Piece of garbage. Have a nice day, friends.